guys, Katie here
And Dave.
with RN RV Chronicles. So today we are doing something that probably most of y'all are doing this time of year, and that is baking some Christmas cookies.
Christmas cookies, yes.
One of my most favorite Christmas traditions.
And she's going to do my favorite one that is keto.
Yes.
My favorite Christmas cookie is actually called the Italian oil cookie. My grandmother used to make. Can't do that on keto.
No, we'll have to tweak that recipe to make it keto,
Yeah,
but we
we'll
haven't
try.
gotten around to that yet.
No.
But this is one cookie that he asks for all the time, and today we're going to make it.
Yes.
So, this is the low carb espresso cookie.
Yes. How many people are happy for me?
They'll be happy for themselves.
All
once
right,
they
Katie.
make
So
it.
take it away. What do we need to do here?
Okay, so I have 1/2 cup of melted butter. I'm going to add into our bowl,
The big bowl.
and then
I
I'll
don't know.
give you
Yes.
that. Here in our lovely French press, I've had this coffee sitting for a little while now.
Yes.
The recipe calls for espresso. Now we're switching it up a little bit because we don't have an espresso maker. So we're just making really strong coffee in here. And push that down. It looks pretty strong. We're going to use a 1/2 cup, or not half, I'm sorry, 1/4 cup espresso. Let's go a little bit more. Can't go wrong with extra coffee, can you? I don't think so.
Wow.
All right. Oh yes, now we're going to switch out the bowl for our scale. Now, we are using Victoria's new standard 2.0 keto flour.
I'll put a link.
We'll
up
put a
here
link
for
to
her.
Victoria. Yeah, very wonderful site, Victoria's Keto Kitchen. So this is like a blended flour. We can put everything that's in it down in the comments or description.
Or you can go on her video and
Or
find
you
out.
could go.
And she's
watch
always
Victoria.
modifying it and making it different and improving her stuff. So
And her flour you need to weigh. So we need 105 grams of flour, because the recipe calls for 1 cup of almond flour and a 1/4 cup of.
there you go.
Oh, am I perfect or what? I'm perfect.
Yes.
So the recipe itself calls for 1 cup of almond flour and 1/4 cup of coconut flour. Now, both of those flours are in here along with some other stuff. So, and it goes here. We can move this and bring our bowl back.
We're gonna need the scale again.
No, sir.
Okay.
So, in this goes. And then we need erythritol. I have that all measured out, a 1/4 cup erythritol.
And by the way, we are using. It's actually. That's monk fruit
Yeah.
and erythritol blend.
Yeah, but you could just use erythritol. You could use your blend, whatever non-sugar sweetener you would like to use. You may use.
Mhm.
So we have that, and then we need cinnamon. Right here. Whoops, our eggs are going wild.
Eggs are ticking off.
1/2 tablespoon cinnamon.
Okay, coffee grounds.
Okay, coffee grounds. We are using Pete's Dark Roast
Yes.
coffee.
Mm.
And we need 1.5 teaspoons of the grounds. Whoops, spilling. 1. Thank you for cleaning up after me. And 1/2. All right, now we are going to get baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. And last but not least in this mixture right now, we need 30 drops of liquid stevia. And again, we like, I think we've told you all this before, we like the Sprouts brand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
She's adding
5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 1 for good luck. That's how I measure.
I hope that was 30. If not, it's not going to come out good.
It's gonna be delicious.
It is.
Okay, so now we use a hand mixer and combine.
Now, while she's doing that, guys, what I want to do is go over something really quick with the app that we are using on our iPad. And the app that we are actually using is called Paprika. It is a paid app. I think it's $10, but that is the best app that I have found to date. We've been using that for years. It even has a browser on it to where you can go out and browse and find recipes and actually just import them straight in to this, and it actually files them away for you and everything. You can write up your own recipes as well. And yeah, it is a great app. Unfortunately, it's only, as far as I know, I haven't checked lately, but it is only for on the Apple side, the iOS. But anyways, great app. Check it out. I am not sponsored by them at all. It's just an app that we found like 4 or 5 years, maybe longer. And it's absolutely incredible. And we keep all of our recipes in there. And it's great. Check it out. It's called Paprika. Back to Katie.
Commercial is over. All right, so here we have this all mixed up, kind of moistened. It's not a total, it's not like it's not totally, I mean, it's combined, but you can see it's kind of.
What are you trying to say, Katie?
I don't know. It looks like that.
Say?
I'm trying to say it looks like that. So there's that. So now we're going to add our eggs. Okay, add the eggs in and combine again until uniform consistency. That's the word I was looking for before. This is going to become uniform. Okay. There we go. A nice uniform consistency.
Yeah. Okay.
We have our oven preheating to 350. We have our baking sheet. Lined with parchment paper. All right, we're going to use an ice cream scooper.
Gonna scoop it out and put it down.
That's going to be a good cookie.
So we're going to go ahead and fill this out. Make sure you got enough space in between because they are going to flatten out a little bit.
We might have to make 2 batches. All right. So we're going to leave this one like this. Pop it in the oven for
How long?
12 to 15 minutes.
Okay. Actually, they're worth the wait.
All right, guys, we're back.
We are back. That was pretty quick for you, but it was a little bit of a long time. It smells great in here,
It
though.
does.
Woo-hoo.
It smells like a coffee shop. So we have our freshly baked cookies right here.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
But they're not done yet. There's one more part that we didn't tell you guys about yet. And here it is. So in this bowl, I have poured some heavy whipping cream. To which I'm going to add couple drops of stevia. There we go. And also a little more sprinkle of coffee grounds. That should be good.
P.S. Do not eat these if you want to go to sleep. Anyways.
Okay. So now we're gonna whip that up. Okay.
All right. Wow.
Now, our final piece. All right. So first, let's talk about the cookie.
Let's just eat the cookie.
No, let's talk about it. So it's nice and spongy, soft, but yet firm.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of like a cake-like consistency, I think I would describe it as.
You're making me hungry.
And these are a little bit bigger than maybe they should be, but I don't see a problem in having a big cookie. So.
No. You're right. The last time you did make these last few times,
I
they
made
were a little
them
bit smaller. Yeah.
So now you take the heavy whipping cream and you just put it on top. You could spread it, you could not spread it, you could dip it, whatever you want to do.
Mm-hmm.
And then you take a bite.
Very spongy.
Very spongy.
These are really good. It's my favorite cookie.
Oh, very spongy.
Yeah. For keto, that is spot on. Now, with all the coffee, I'm gonna be bouncing off the walls.
Yeah.
No, I'm only kidding.
You might not want to eat these late at night.
No.
If you value your sleep.
Yeah.
But it's middle of the afternoon, so
Middle of the
I'm gonna eat 'em.
afternoon and the early morning, yeah. And you can obviously make these without the coffee. So if you don't like coffee,
Yeah.
just eliminate the coffee part.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's all you gotta do. Okay?
Yeah, that would be interesting if you do that, because I know some people don't like coffee. Let us know how it comes out, because that would be kind of interesting. It would change the flavor, obviously, because this has a coffee flavor to it.
Yeah.
So let us know.
But you have cinnamon in it, and you can
Yeah.
probably put like maybe a little bit of nutmeg or whatever flavoring you want. But the ingredient part that she did with the flour and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, you
Yeah.
could very
Yeah.
well make it without the coffee.
So, anyways, that's it. What do we call them?
Low carb espresso.
Espresso.
He usually says those coffee cookies, so
Yeah.
I don't know.
Coffee cookie.
You could call it like a tiramisu type cookie, because it's got the
Similar
coffee
with
flavor
the
and
coffee
cream.
flavor and then the cream, correct.
Yeah,
And but anyways, there we go.
there you go.
Make them for the holidays.
Yeah.
Great substitute to have cookies,
But yet
you
not
know,
all the carbs.
at the holiday season. So listen,
Let us know in the comments
what you think.
what you
Make
like.
them.
What,
Come back and tell us what you think. I think you're gonna love them.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, like,
subscribe,
and share this video. And please leave comments down below of what you may want to see in the future, okay? Anyways, Merry Christmas, everybody. God bless, and bye for now.